Well, we close everything down. Some fellow will come and keep it in the room. Who goes in there, who goes inside, who comes inside the room. Security interview is poor, even if we are at home. But security during travel, because now sometimes what is happening is some persons they travel in the ways of passengers. They are taken off. So for us now, who is the passenger? God is God. Any queries, please ask students.
क्या कर
Coordinator is a network of trade routes. Actually, it is a network of different destinations. Railway is proposed to link with the high-speed trains. That is the shape of network in the shape of diamond quadrant.
The reason one train from New Delhi to Agra. What is the thing? Where the time for traveling very much reduced. So that one is not there.
Before I government of India presented each year
స్టాప్ అని పాజ్ కొడతాను అయిపోతుంది పాజ్ అయిపోతుంది అది పాజ్ అనేది ఆపటం ఎప్పుడైతే ఆపామో క్లిక్గా మారిపోతుంది మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను రెండు క్లిక్ మొదలవుతుంది అంటే సపోజ్ 5 ట్రై ముందు పెట్టి వస్తుంది కాసేపు అదేనా
Farmer is our backbone of country. Let us see how important
ఫస్ట్
it is
చేతిలో
in
వేసుకొని
government to establish tumor agricultural research institute excellences in Assam and Jharkhand with the initial amount of 100 crores and 200 crores provide to open agriculture universities in Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan and horticulture. Providing these all, the government want to achieve 4 concept of agriculture achievements. Next slide. Health and family welfare. We have one proverb that health is wealth. How much wealth did the government will give to us? Let us see. Free drug service and free diagnosis services to achieve health for all. Nowadays, diagnosis patients are more in our country. Because of that, they provide free services for Vidra in Maharashtra and UP Sarkar. By providing 500 crores made. 12 new government medical colleges to be set. Next slide please. Fast moving consumer FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, as the name indicated that the products which are consumed more fastly. For example, if we have a fan that life period is 5 years or 2 years, as we take one soap, this let us see. The biggest impact of FMCG companies will be because of increased personal savings due to the charges in income tax expenditure exemptions. With more money in hand, demand is expected to be full-fledged, which will be turned lead to rise in the sales of companies. Customs duty reductions on the chemicals and the product chemicals could be benefit soaps companies as well the cost would be fall. The hike in expecting duties on cigarettes could be hampered in ITC. However, we can increase our charges. Impact is the marginal as demand usually remains followed by Naresh.
Coming to education sector, there are two sectors there. First one, school education and higher education. Coming to school education, government strive to provide 28,635 crores to the
Sir, 8 students learned. Students to think and learn, and also the students also really have taken a lot of pains in preparation of these PowerPoint presentations. Of course, they are reasonably good in presentation. Only at times what I observed is they have to be a little more fluent in English because some words perhaps they are not that much familiar, or otherwise what they have to do is they have to get prepared. Okay, in advance. Petrochemicals was read as petrochemicals. So these are, I am not just pointing out to one only, there are several. So only a little effort in that direction that will go a long way. And also this, I am very sure by the time you finish your MBA, you will develop good fluency in English, and also good presentation skills. I congratulate you all and thank you very much for coming.
70 points experience. In addition to higher tax exemption on home loans when decreases, the interest rate will be high. These are must be required to measure the sector which has been affected by poor demand and high costs. Employment wages. Companies which are likely to benefit DLF and GMR. Human and Child Development. Outlay 50 crores for the pilot testing for the scheme of safety, human and public road transportation. Sum of 150 crores for scheme to increase the safety of women large cities. A sum of 100 crores is provided with Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao Yojana focus. Increase the awareness of welfare, social meant for women. School curriculum to have separate chapter for gender mainstreaming. Drinking water, fluoride, heavy toxic elements, pesticides and fertilizers to provide drinking water to community in coming over the 3 years, next 3 years. Then remaining part will be explained by Satya.
Thank you, Harish. Now I will go for further presentation, that is for FDI sector, this foreign direct investment. In the budget, this got a special allocation of, which was increased in defense and insurance from 26% to 49%. Where in FDI in defense means the equipment harmful for the Indian sector because in defense means it is protecting area for the whole country. Therefore, some criticized on the FDI sector in defense. Tax exemption. Income tax slab raised for people below 60 years and senior citizens have changed. That is for income tax has been raised, means for the people who are whose salary is between 2 lakhs, they have taken the income tax, but it has increased from 2 lakhs to 2,50,000, where the income tax will be not taken. And also for senior citizens, that is age above 60 years, they are also been having the tax exemption. That is, it has increased from 50,000, that is 2 lakhs 50,000 to 3 lakhs. There will be no tax, and after that there will be tax of 10, 20 and 30%. And investment limit, according to section 80C, the investment limit was up to 1 lakh, but it has increased from 1 lakh to 1,50,000. Where the investment will be, investment in the economy is increasing, because of which economy will grow. And also deduction limit in the interest rates paid on the loans are also exempted from the tax. For the self-owned property from 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs, which has been raised. Therefore, more interest rates will be lessened, so that this interest rates will be lessened. Therefore, the people will go to banks for the house loans. Therefore, the real estate sector will be increasing. Infrastructure, new airports. There is a construction of airports in Tier 1 and Tier 2 sectors are there, and also in 9 international airports they are using e-visas, which means that they can get online visas through this. They cannot waste the time. Also, they will know many of the officers for this. This is the major sector where everyone could be gained, and also road sector. The government want to reach a national highway target of constructing national highway of 8,500 kilometers. Pollution for this.
ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్స్ అన్నది ట్రాఫిక్ స్నాల్స్ SNARLS అంటే ట్రాఫిక్ ఇబ్బందులు. ఆ ఇబ్బందుల్లో ఒక పార్ట్ ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్. డోంట్ హైలైట్ ఓన్లీ ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్. సో యూ షుడ్ బి యూజింగ్ ద ఫ్రేజ్ ట్రాఫిక్ స్నాల్స్ SNARLS.
Because of this, infrastructure will be developed. Banking is the second biggest beneficiary of the budget, especially public sector banks. And now it is also allowed banks to raise long-term funds for the infrastructure projects. And with minimum regulatory obligations like CRR, SLR, and incentives should be with the banks, or should be with the central bank of the banks. And also SLR statutory liquid ratio means it is a reserves of gold or silver or cash, which should be kept by the bank itself, which will be be mentioned by the RBI, that is Central Bank. And also PSL means priority sector lending, because the banks are lending to the infrastructure sector. Therefore, the infrastructure sector. Therefore, the banks which are giving for infrastructure sector, the amount of percentage will be decreased for CRR and SLR. Therefore, it is means by priority sector lending. Therefore, the banks will be who are giving for infrastructure projects, they will be lessened for CRR and SLR. Government to infuse 2,40,000 crores as equity by 2018. Therefore, if they infuse this amount in the public sector banks, therefore the interest rates will be lessened, and also the for people who want to take loans, they will they have an edge to take loans. Responses of industrialists on budget. Mysore Industries Association also welcomed the budget proposal described as industrial friendly. PV Vishwanath, President, MIA and Suresh Jain, Secretary, welcomed the special support for the development of manufacture sector, inflation and also growth, and implementation of goods and service tax by the end of this financial year. And RC Jagdish, Chairman, Confederation of Indian Industry, the budget to be balance growth and inflation, and has many initiatives that will take the economy to reach 8% of growth rate and also GDP. And he said that the textile cluster in Mysore. Therefore, here I have mentioned that textile sector has got a major push in Mysore, where they can export their quantities or the products to the foreign. Therefore, they can get the most of the privilege. And also, Mysore is a big game changer, as it played an important role by providing technical assistance for capacity building, empowering small and medium enterprise, and improving the supply chain process. And also MSME sector, that is micro, small and medium industries, have also got the main change. And also they got around 100 crores of put aside for the improving of this MSME sector. Conclusion, this budget is made for beneficiary for middle class people, and also the budget gives tax gains and promises for a growth, because they have mentioned that tax deficit will be lessened by 3 in the financial year 2015 and 2016, and also growth rate of 7 to 8 in the growth rate by the next financial year, and the budget is on overall development of the economy.
My government announced that my government will put it to government. Put it means 2 types. Above poverty line, below poverty line. This union budget using to below poverty line. Nowadays 1 kg rice 50 or 60 rupees. And tomato are 60 to 80 rupees. No. 60 to 80 rupees. Onions. This budget using to below poverty line, above poverty line, no, above poverty line, only below poverty line.
Therefore, if the tax exemptions are reduced, they will get a balance of 4,000 to 5,000. Therefore, they can put this amount in this. This budget is favorable for below poverty line. If they are above poverty.
Yes, present laptops increasing and laptops and food paste and all benefits to the above poverty line, no below poverty line.
అంటే కొంచెం పెరిగేది అవన్నీ బిలో పవర్టీ వాళ్ళకి అఫెక్ట్ అవుతాయి కదా. దే షుడ్ టేక్ ఇనిషియేటివ్స్.
Asking how to control inflation.
They have to control inflation because which the economy is facing lot of inflow of the money. Therefore, they should first reduce the inflation through hike in the interest rates, which are done in monetary policy by RBI.
But one initiative they wanted to take is strengthening the laws relating to hoarders. Black markets. Hoarding means people stock essential commodities and create artificial scarcity. As a result, the prices goes up. So the present laws are not good enough to deal with these people. So central government want to strengthen these laws and severe punishment to people who resort to hoarding and black marketing. That is one of the steps they have initiated to control inflation. One of
100 crores. And also for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue, they have given 200 crores set aside. Therefore, there are a lot of criticisms for this budget.
unproductive expenditure
Yes.
known as.
And also for Ganga conservation, that is Namami Ganga, they are using 100 crores. And also for ghat development near Varna.
Which sector is the biggest beneficiary
Yes.
if you look at the present budget?
Yes. They are constructing 100 smart cities with 7,060 crores.
What is the biggest change relating to defense sector? Policy
FDIs.
change. Yes.
And also procurement funds.
In that it is open to private sector investment and participation, but this time they initiated FDIs in defense. This for the first time they are doing.
Naresh, suppose you are the finance minister of India. What positive things you would have added in this budget?
Some more amount added for the education sector.
How much they are spending currently, you know? Out of how much?
26,000.
That is percentage in the for GDP lo ఎంత percentage spend చేస్తున్నారు? అమౌంట్ చెప్తే దాని ఎగ్జాగరేషన్ హైలైట్ కాదు సార్.
28,634 crores amount.
But it looked like a big amount, but we are spending only 1% on education. Experts suggested it should be around 5%. There is a 4% gap between what experts are suggesting and what government is doing. It is a long way to go.
What about the advantages to defense? How much have given importance compared to earlier?
Ravi.
New research.
Ravi.
Research institute.
Agriculture sector.
First slide.
First,
Research institutes, two research institutes, in Assam and Jharkhand, and two universities, agriculture universities in Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan, two horticulture universities in Telangana and Haryana, and they are providing APMC Acts very effectively. APMC Acts means Agriculture Product Manufacturing Committee, which provides reasonable prices to the farmers. By doing all this, they want to achieve 4% of agriculture. And also there is a Kisan TV plan for 100 crores. There is a 24/7 service. They can call and they will tell the answers for their questions.
Overall, it gives advantage at some ports to the farmers.
Yes, ma'am. Because major backbone of our country, ma'am. Therefore, the wheat and rice we are now importing from other countries. If they are providing extra, we will export to other countries.
but one thing is related to fruits and vegetables, 40% go waste in India because lacking of cold storage and proper marketing facilities. And this budget also not focused on this very important area. 40% go waste.
And one more thing I have observed in the village recently when I visited, like employees are getting solid amount monthly, why should we go for agriculture? We will do this and slowly our children will settle there in other jobs. So there
By researching, they want to new technology. They want to introduce new technology in agriculture sector.
let's hope for the best.
But it is when the government increase income tax slab rate to 5 lakhs.
That's what investment. At that time, suppose for 30,000 we have to pay at least 1,500 at a stage. 1,500 into 12, just in multiplication, it is more. Below 2000 rupees, it will be allowed in cash. Then definitely we can block the, we can find out, we can give solution for the black markets. 2000 Shemari. Everything should be, whatever payment is there, up to payment in cash is 2000. Above transaction should be through bank. Whatever transaction is affected in bank, it should be at least taxed by 0.25%, 0.025%. Then definitely revenue will be public.
Yes, but it is not possible in villages.
of the economy of countries. ఇది ఆన్లైన్ అవుతుందంటారు.
Online and whatever amount they are getting, they should deposit in bank. And if they want to purchase raw material, they should use check or at least through debit card.
ఈ పాలు అమ్మేవాళ్ళు వాళ్ళకి అసలు అకౌంటే లేదు సార్.
అదే సార్ దాంట్లోనే మీకు ఇసుక ఇలాంటివి ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్, శాండ్ ఇవన్నీ అన్ని lakhs of rupees, especially agricultural products. If your channel is through bank, directly or indirectly by using a card system or something, then all these transactions come under purview of that. Then they can put tax on that 0.025%. Then that will give more revenue for the Indian economy.
మీనాక్షి అండ్ సచివతి బ్లాక్ మనీ బయటకు తీసుకురావడానికి వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ ప్లాన్స్?
Around 1,40,000 crores are there, sir, exempting MLAs and MPs money, sir.
Actually, they initiated one common platform like UNO. Now countries are created a common platform that's saying that whoever depositing money, their details must be sent to the native country. Till date, they are not doing. How many are depositing money in Switzerland, Swiss banks? It is not up to this time they are not doing. But all countries come together to control this. Now onwards, it is a initial stage. Each and every country should be provided with information who is depositing with us. That sort of information they should share with countries.
అదే సార్.
Therefore, they are seeing on another economies where they can deposit, but their details are not outside.
Till date it is run on anonymity. So, but now onwards,
Therefore, because Swiss government
this
is,
information should be shared with the union government of each respective member country. So it
because
is.
Swiss government is giving the information, they are seeing on another economy which is providing the service.
My question is, what about the black money in India? Switzerland will be the same. I gave the example of somebody selling milk vendor. How you will get the black money from him? But a bad to white level.
Change the orders.
And everybody, whoever selling should take some transaction.
2012 like that. If those notes are printed earlier, it should be submitted to the bank, or otherwise it is invalid. Actually, the government want to come up with that proposal, but later they withdrawn from it. If they done that thing, definitely it will give good results.
Manusha, do you agree with that point?
On behalf of MBA department, I would like to thank respected Principal Dr. Jason Muthiah and Dr. N. Subhash Chandra Bose, Director Academics, and Dr. Vapraj Madam from HNS department. They have spent time with us and Principal Sir has given some suggestions, try to follow it. And I would like to thank our HOD, Dr. S.P. Ramana, to organize such a nice event. And as an in charge of personal effectiveness class, I felt happy that there is improvement. I found some improvement in it. Reason might be anything, especially juniors, Shweta and Meenakshi, they have done a good job. Chala bagundi difference. Next time you should say chala bagundi. Now it is bagundi. So let us all give a big round of applause to the 8 parties. They are volunteers for this event. They have done a very good job. So my suggestion is not to dump the content and the PPT. Make it an innovative PPT using graphics and all those things. So thank you one and all. There is a small announcement. Afternoon session, will be held as usual. So second year students, go and attend your elective classes. First year as usual time. Thank you.